If you are a Windows 10 user and you want to change your language or add a new language or keyboard layout, maybe you can't find it like previous version of Windows 8, 7, XP in the control panel. Because they moved it to another place, and you can find it by if you check your control panel down and click on region, you can find the add new language or any language option here. Just click on change date and time, and it will see, and as you can see here, you can find language preferences here. Just click on that, and the setting will another window will be open. But in previous version of Windows, you can find that right here, another tab. But in Windows 10, you can find it in another window setting. And if you want to directly go to that without opening this piece of crap here, just go to a start menu and start typing settings. And here you can see time and language. Click on that and you will see here region. You can select your region and the default language you want, and language. Here is the language place. Finally, we found it. As you can see, I have two languages here, English, United States, Persian, because my native language is Persian in Afghanistan or Dari. Just click on add a language and you will prompt with this tiny window, and you can find your preferred language here, and I'm gonna just select one here, Korean. Just this is for test purpose here, and as you can see, Korean has display language, text to speech, speech recognition, handwriting. Click on next, and if you are connected to internet, it will start installing that language to your computer. Click on install, and it will be here, but it doesn't recognize an basic typing is installed for this not, and translation is installed, language pack is installed Persian but not Korean because I'm not connected to internet right now. And basically that's it. And as you can see, you can change your default language for these default language and location for these Windows display, apps and website, regional format, keyboard, speech. Just click on that, and there you can change it to whatever you want. English, United States is my preferences. Is my preference. Let me different input method for each app window. If you click on that, each application has a different language method here. You can change it. Use the desktop language bar when it's available. And this is the new emoji here, and you can add your favorite emoji to your text or everything you want. Everything you type, just press the Windows dot button on your keyboard and the emoji panel will appear like this. And if you don't check it, it will be open here for as long as time. Don't close the panel automatically after an emoji has been entered. If I enter emoji, it won't be disabled. But if you click on that, if you click on emoji or for your typing, it will be hiding from here. And Windows display, And now Windows display language is here. English United States apps and website is here. English language United States, as you can see here. Text to speech installed, speech recognition installed, handwriting installed, basic typing installed, language pack installed. This will default use English language. Original format, you can change it here to wherever you are, and it will update your time and calendar. Keyboard layout, you can change your keyboard layout to your preferred language using a speech language and install on your PC. You can use here, and you will see another option here, and you can change the voice of your narrator in Windows narrator here. Microsoft Zero, Microsoft Mark, Microsoft David, and you can turn the volume up or off. Preview box.
You have selected Microsoft David as the default voice.
And Zero.
You have selected Microsoft Zira as the default voice.
Microsoft Mark.
You have selected Microsoft Mark as the default voice.
Actually, I like Zero here because it's
You have selected
really
Microsoft Zira
voice.
as the default voice.
Add the voice. If you want to add the package voice, you need to be online, and so on. This is the feature that related to language that you can find on settings. Here, not control panel, because control panel newly moved some part here and some part is in the control panel, and maybe in the near future all the settings from control panel moved here. That's Microsoft. We don't know what they do. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss my future videos.